My name is Willem Oswald. I'm the founder of Industrial Robot Help. I'm one of the RBTX partners here on the platform. We actually work in-house. We have a desk right over there, and we work together with great people like Niklas here. Niklas, what happens when a customer comes to you and says, we want to buy all the robots, like all of the robots. We want to buy all the e-chain, all the wonderful things that you sell, but we don't have the expertise in-house to possibly program it or even come up with a full safety cell and enclosure turnkey machine. What happens?
So the first thing that happens is, of course, we take it to our beautiful customer testing area here, Willem, and show them the robots, make sure that we understand their project and understand their needs. And then once we define how much or how deep the customer wants to be involved, we then loop in partners like you, Willem. If it's about an integration project, so we're not only selling parts, it's about complex motion, about complex processes, or whatever it is, we of course need help, and we find help with you guys.
And it's a great process too, because a lot of people come to you not having any idea what to do. Automation is new for a lot of people. It's exciting. It's something that they know that they absolutely need in this current marketplace, global geopolitics, all of that. And so they'll come to you, you'll help them, guide them to try to understand with all the great examples here in the lab, whether it's pick and place, assembly, anything, inspection, gluing, all those applications, help them understand kind of where the fit is. And then you bring me in and you say, Willem, we have this really epic customer, they're making really cool things, they have some challenges. How do we solve these challenges? It's a little bit past than just buying a robot. We need to make sure that we design the safety system around it and that we have a full, really fascinating, successful, and cost-effective turnkey solution. And that's where we get involved. We start talking together ourselves internally. We decide that it's a good fit for all of us. And then we have another discussion directly with the customer where you introduce me as your partner. And then I ask more questions, find out a lot more about the process, the requirements, the little ins and outs, and what the budget is, because sometimes we have to be realistic. Even though we're in an LCA environment, which is awesome and super rare.
Low-cost automation, yes. Yes. Always focus on the low-cost part of the whole operation.
Exactly, which we love, right? Because we're here to help people automate. We're not giving them this crazy Rube Goldberg. We want to give them something that works and is functional and low cost. And that's what's really important. And that's why we love working with RBTX, because this platform has everything. If you look around this entire room, you don't see one type of product, you don't see one type of robot, you see everything. We have the availability and ability in our team to work with multiple different kinds of robots and all sorts of different components. That's where we bring our expertise to you, we partner together, and it's a match made in heaven.
Yeah, sums it up pretty well. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.